Hi, grade 6. Our lesson today is about Excel. In the previous video, we were talking about if and how to use if. We are using if, or we were using if, to get certain information about the table. Now I can get another information of the table using charts. What the meaning of charts, why we use charts. First of all, Excel is a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet includes a lot of information that I collected, maybe by survey, maybe by data entry, maybe in other ways, whatever it is the way, I have these data collection. I want to get some reports from this data, or I will make it in another form that's easy to read it and easy to get information from this data I collected. How to make it easier? This is what we call it data analysis. I will analyze this data and I will get information from it. Over here I have this table. It includes 5 columns. The first column is the last name of a student. The second column is for the honor list, if he's on the honor list or not. The third column for the school. For example, College of Arts and Science, Information School, Allen School, Jackson School. These are the school's name. In the fourth column, I have the graduation year, and the fifth one is the major. Now, I want to analyze these data. For example, I want to check the number of graduates for each school, for example. I have to select the school and the graduation year. Okay, when you want to analyze, you have to select 2 columns or 2 variables or values. Why? Because in the chart, as you know, we have x and y, and this is related function that shows you the variables, how it's working based on the algorithm. For example, for the school, which school graduated in which year. Okay, now you have to choose these 2 data, and you can go to the insert and after that to the charts. Over here you have a lot of charts. For example, I will take the first chart over here. You can see I have a 3D column. Now you can see over here the College of Arts and Science. Okay, you can see, for example, here I have a College of Art and Science, Information School in the x-axis, and in the y-axis the year of graduation, and how it varies from one year to another. Or you can do this bar. This bar, it shows you the same information but in different style. We're still working on the 2D column. You can take it as a 3D column. Okay, only it will change the view. Or you can take it 3D bar also. Bar, it means it goes horizontal, where the column, it takes it vertical. This is regarding the 2D. Or you can take it as a pie chart. In the pie chart over here, you can take a 2D pie or 3D pie. 3D pie, it's easier to read it. Over here you can see the 3D pie chart for different colors of the schools. For each school I have a color, and it's occupying a certain space of this circle. This circle shows how it's divided into more than one school, the number of graduates for each year. Okay, in addition to that, we can use, for example, this histogram. Histogram, it shows you how it varies from one year to another. Okay, or you can use something called pivot table. Now in the pivot table, just select the data you want and select pivot table, then press enter. It takes you to another page. Over here the page to make your pivot table and your report. The variables you selected are school and graduate year. Okay, do you want both of them in this chart? Yes. So I will select them both. Now I have the school on the x-axis and I have the graduate year in the y-axis. It's not a good view, so I can adjust over here. So I will make the values the school because I'm counting the number of graduates, and I will put the years on the x-axis. Now it's better. So I can see in 2019 I have 4 graduates, where in 2020 I have 3 graduates. In 2021 I have also 4 graduates. In 222 I have 4 graduates. At the same time, you can see the table over here, including the same data that's written in the pivot table. And keep in mind that this pivot table, it has its own sheet, which is sheet 6 over here. You can see it as a separate file.